Since I'm bored and waiting on something to bake, I'm going to do a refrigerator tour since I haven't done one in a little while. So here's our door, which is pretty much never changing. Dad's hot sauce. This is a new one that I bought because of Daryl told me I should, because he really liked the sriracha hot chili sauce. And then I got him a couple of these. This is spicy mayo, and he's got a chipotle. Then Peggy gave us this when we were just up there recently that Dad used to barbecue pork with. My spray butter, which I love, and our jellies. A couple of Dad's hot peppers. This is salad dressing central along with some A1. Then we have mustard, sliced olives, Dad's, junk that he gets at fast food places. And the bottom, soy, red wine vinegar, milk of magnesia, same spot, Parmesan, Worcestershire. I think there's some Cairo syrup. Okay, let's see. Dad has a little round Coke left from Christmas. Water, milk, Welch's 100% no sugar added. This is black cherry grape juice. He has a couple of his coffee flavorings. A V8 Fusion. There's a gallon of tea that's about half gone. Then here, this one here is just like a messy shelf. We have, Dad has two of his English muffins left, some cranberry jello-y stuff that we had. Hummus, applesauce. I can't believe it's not butter. Heidi's bologna. Yes, she gets bologna. No fat French onion dip. Eggs. Some sausage, summer sausage. Here are pickles that I just made that you all have probably seen the video for. They just got in the refrigerator. Back there is some other peppers that my dad canned. Some marinated mushrooms. The sweet dill pickles. We've got 4 things of Grand biscuits, and they have box tops on them. I noticed that when I bought them. Leftover stovetop. Got leftover candied carrots. Some more V8 Fusion because it was on sale. Wine. My tequila rose. Look, Gigi, there it is. I'm petting it. Oh, nice tequila rose. Hellmann's and more Hellmann's. Underneath Hellmann's is Miracle Whip. Lettuce. Radishes. Carrot and celery sticks. I don't really know what's in that. I think it's sliced pickles and stuff that Dad took to Monday Night Football. In here I have a pear, a couple Greek yogurts, a couple bags of cheese, the rest of the summer sausage that's not cut up, some Jello shots still from South Tube. I might try one of these here. I just bought these because I had a coupon and they were on sale. They're 100 calorie delights by Yoplait. I might get one out and try it. We'll see how that goes. They look good. There's some artificial crab meat in here. Okay. This is the first time I ever bought Greek yogurt also. I had a coupon, buy 2 and get 75 cents off, so I got a couple to try. And the bottom, stick butter, some clementines, and some cookie dough that needs to be baked sometime. I'm baking some right now. That's what I'm here. I have my alarm's going to go off in like 3 minutes. So that's the fridge. Shall we go over to the, let's back up in the chair. Freezer. Let's shut the fridge side since we're done. Up there is a ham bone that Dad just put up there. Some steamable vegetables, guacamole, and frozen cookie dough that Dad bought ages ago. A couple stir-fry kits, some pizza rolls that Dad likes and I like. Chicken breast tenders, shrimp, tilapia, some sausage, icy pops, and some extra creamy Cool Whip. So it really isn't exciting in our freezer. Not much excitement. And then there's never anything in the door but my dad's freezer cups and freezer things and some nuts. But all that's in our doors, freezer cups. One person in the house uses it, but he has 1, 2, 3, 4 freezer cups. Yeah, okay. Bye.